Andy's one of those lawn guys. He likes to have a nice looking lawn.
I do like my lawn, yeah.
So when I can put holes in his lawn, that makes me feel good.
Yeah.
That might take a while, and that's solid. Who needs a tape measure when you have me? We're trying out the old turbo again on the BX. You're gonna have to be the videographer here.
All right, let's do it.
Come back up to it, and then it clicks it in place. Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I'm out at Andy's place again. We were out here last year, a couple years ago.
Yeah.
I don't know. We like to come out here and play. Andy's got some land. What do you got? 10 acres out here.
Just over 10 acres, yeah.
Lives out in the country, and they have a lot of deer that go through the yard. So Andy's latest project is this. You're going to need to tell our viewers a little bit about this. Come on, you're on the spot. Tell them what you did and why.
Well, my wife and I have been wanting a garden for a while, and we were just going to till everything up. We're going to have to fence everything because we have lots of deer out here. I told her, honey, we're getting too old. We're not going to bend over for the rest of our lives, so I'm building you a raised garden. So
yeah, you're real old. You are an old guy. Yeah. So this is really nice. Now, so the cedar posts that you used, these are from your property, right?
These are from our property. Yep, that trees that I cut down. Absolutely.
So you skinned them and dried them and put them up, and then you got cedar all around, or what do you?
Yeah, those are all cedar sections. Those are like for cedar fencing.
Okay, all right. So we're gonna take a little tour in here. Check this out, you guys. This is incredible. So you don't have anything planned here yet. What's the plan for this? Is this the dirt garden? This is the dirt garden section.
Gotta have options.
All right, you got peppers. You got some tomatoes. More tomatoes. These look like potatoes.
Yep.
Tomatoes, potatoes. And we got some peas over here. Those look like they're ready to eat. Wow. More beans. Beans. Holy cow, you're going to be full of beans. Whole wall of beans. We got some carrots, I'm guessing here.
Yep.
And strawberries. This is nice having a little center island, and it's like waist high. This is great. And here, I'm guessing these are gladioluses.
That's correct.
All right, they are gonna bloom pretty soon. They are almost ready to bloom. Is this a zinnia? What is this? Any idea?
I have no idea.
You have no idea?
No.
Okay. All right, well, you've got some stumps. You've got some stumps over here. So we're trying out the old turbo again on the BX. Andy, you got, what do you got, 4 stumps?
4 stumps out here, yeah.
Let's go check out the stumps. All right, so we got a stump right here, right behind the raised garden. That's a good sized stump. Holy man, that might take a while, and that's solid. So this is an oak.
That's correct.
And when was it cut? A year ago? Maybe?
About a year ago, yep.
That's a good size. I mean, goodness sakes, that's got to be, that's almost 2 feet in diameter. Oh, he's got a tape measure on him.
So happens.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that. Okay.
Not bad.
That's good guessing. All right, so we got a 2-foot oak stump. That's going to take a little time. Let's go see what else we got. I see you got some stumps over there. Who needs a tape measure when you have me? I got to guess on this next one now, though, to make it look good.
All right.
Oh, this is more than 2. Yeah, this is 2 trees.
Yep.
We got a little hollow in the middle, but I bet the tree was pretty solid. Yeah, I'm going to go with, from widest point, I'm going to say 20. Oh, I'm going to go with 30 inches. 30 inches. How close am I? Oh, man. That's
pretty good.
That's some good guessing. All right. So far, I'm 2 for 2 for guessing stump sizes. It's like I'm a professional stump guesser. Once you get into the stump world,
Yeah.
you learn all kinds of things, all kinds of tricks. All right, let's see. So we got this one. This is a gnarly looking tree. Holy cow, look at that thing. It's got a big burl all the way around it. Wow. Okay, so this stump, from widest point to widest point, I'm seeing 26.5 inches, Andy.
26
I think I might be short on this one. Oh, I'm close. I'm so close. I'm an inch off. 27.5, 28 maybe?
Yep.
Yeah. All right. That's That's pretty good stump guess. Okay, so brought the stump grinder. Oh, and you got the small one too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I better guess on this one. That's a 20. That's 20 right on the money. Is it right on the money? Oh, I'm an inch off. I got to recalibrate my guessing. Okay. So we got the stump grinder. We're going to give it a shot. We got 4 of them to get. This might take an hour or so, but we got the turbo, so that's going to help us out. Andy, your boys over there are having some crazy fun.
Yep.
What are you doing?
All right, Andy, you're going to have to be the videographer here.
All right, let's do it.
You're going to do this. It's going to be great. Okay, so we've got 2 stumps done so far, and this is, what was this one, like the 30, 29, oh, we put in a tape measure, I can't remember what it was, 32, 30, 30 inch stump, so we're gonna do it that way. I'm up on the level side of it. I could have come down here, but then I'd be sideways, and it's kind of weird on that big of a stump, so we'll see how it goes. It was kind of funny. The first stump was easy. What did that take me, like 5 minutes? The first stump was simple. The second stump we just finished, that was a good 20 minutes at least. And it's hard to say what you're going to run into. It's all about the hardness of the stump. Really, they're all oak trees. They're all white oak trees.
Yep.
So they're pretty solid trees. This one has a couple hollow spots, so I think that's going to help us a little bit. And we'll see what happens. What's your guess? How long? Is it going to be an easy one or a tough one?
I think it's going to be a little tougher than the last one.
Is it going to be a tough one? All right. Okay. I don't know. Let's find out. So the third stump took approximately 12-ish minutes to finish. So I wouldn't say that was an easy one, but it wasn't as difficult as the second one. I think we got it. It was kind of a weird one, kind of on an angle and a couple rotten spots in it. So what do you think so far? Can you hear that turbo? Does it sound different?
Yeah,
Because you have a BX 2380, so there's a noticeable
difference.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
and I can definitely tell the difference in the power. The performance from before I had the turbo installed wasn't nearly as much as what I'm getting now. It's absolutely incredible. I love that when it kind of bogs down, when you get into a rough spot, you start blowing a little black smoke out the front.
Yeah.
Got a little bit of rolling coal, I guess they call that, right? So that's always fun. All right, so we have one more stump to finish, and it's the largest one. How long is it gonna take? Let's go check it out first. All right, so here we are. What's our measurement on this again, Andy?
24 inches.
24-inch, 2-foot stump, but boy, I mean, that's 24 inches is deceiving because it's 24 inches from here to here, but look at how wide it gets under. It's just crazy. So, yeah, that'll, I think this is gonna be a tough one.
It looks pretty solid.
My prediction is this is gonna be the toughest one yet, but yeah, we got all kinds of time. So, yeah, we'll see what happens. Stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be fun. Okay, it's gone. That was about 25 minutes on that one.
Yeah.
Not bad considering that was the biggest one.
That was the biggest one. That
Right?
was solid.
That was a solid stump. So, yeah. Well, now you got these trees gone, and you can get a little more sunlight through the canopy of the trees for the garden, right? That was the whole idea.
That is the exact reason why this one had to come down.
They had to come down. Sometimes you just got you got to get a little bit of sunlight on the garden. It seems to help a lot. The stump grinder did a great job. Some people ask what kind of teeth are on these. These are all carbide teeth, and it's got a slip clutch here. And like I told you guys before, I paid for this attachment with my own money, and I wanted to do that so I could give you an honest review. I've done about 85 stumps so far. I think these were the first oak stumps that I've done. And even though it took a little bit longer than, like a softwood, a spruce tree, those are easy. Pine trees, those are simple. Hickory and ash, they take a little while. I think these oak trees were the hardest yet. But with the turbo and with a little bit more experience, I'm getting better at it. So, so far I haven't had any issues with this stump grinder. I'm pleased with it. I think it was a pretty good deal when I bought it, so that's why I bought it. Well, Andy, I appreciate you letting me come over and get some tractor time. That's always kind of fun coming over to your place and tearing up your yard.
Always.
I like putting holes in your yard. Gives me some gratification. Andy's one of those lawn guys. He likes to have a nice looking lawn.
I do like my lawn, yeah.
So when I can put holes in his lawn, that makes me feel good.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you guys, thanks for watching. Leave a comment, subscribe, and do all of those good YouTuber things. And until next time, keep on tractoring, and God bless. Okay, so Andy was asking me about my Pat's Easy Change systems, right? Because you've got a tractor, you got a BX 23S, you got some attachments, and it's kind of nice to have an easy way to change things. So, for those of you that don't know, I'm really happy with this because not all of my attachments are quick hitch compatible, but it's nice to be able to open the pin and with one hand even, right? I can do it with one hand, and then the pin can slide right out. And then when I want to attach something, I can leave this like that and say there's nothing in it right now. I can come back up to it, and then it clicks it in place. And then I just go around, hook up my top link, put those where they're supposed to be, and it's pretty easy.
Easy enough, yeah.
Yeah, so if you have attachments that aren't all quick hitch compatible, the Pat's Easy Change is the way to go. So I'm pretty pleased with it. It's been holding up to the abuse of the stump grinder and the flail mower and the rear snow blade and everything else. It stays attached. The Pat's Easy Change makes it easier. Check it out.